POV Italian Cooking in association with Simply Good Food TV. Today we got a special episode. I was sent this pasta kit by Italia Regina, and they asked me to write a review, and I thought I'll do one better. Let's do a quick video making this pasta kit and see how it is. So this is a really simple. I kind of like the way they got it packaged. They got it packaged right with a little wooden fork there as well. So let's check out, see what we got in our kit here. This kit would be perfect for, you know, those after work nights through the week when you're just too daggone tired to make a meal right from scratch from pantry staples. It's also nice that they have kind of everything packaged together here. Nice little wooden fork, stir everything around. Some Orecchiette Pasta. And this is a Broccoli Rabe, I guess it's a Broccoli Rabe Pesto. Get that out of the way. This is a pasta kit for preparation of Orecchiette Pasta with a Broccoli Rabe green sauce. So we're going to see how this turns out. The sauce does look pretty good. It kind of looks like a pesto. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Got some liquid in there with it. I'm assuming olive oil. But we're going to find out. I'm going to get set back up over at our stove. And we're going to cook this kit. So step one, of course, is to get our water heated up. What I've got here is just some water in a pan and added some salt. Of course, you want your water to be close to the salinity of the sea as you possibly can make it. I'll let this water heat up. So our water is boiling, so our first step, put in our pasta. This pasta is al dente in about 12 minutes. Now we're only gonna let this go for 6 minutes before we start our broccoli rabe sauce. So our pasta's just about done. You get that on my timer here so I don't forget about it. Now, next step, we've got to start our broccoli rabe sauce. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna put a couple of tablespoons of oil in our pan, get this heated up. If I turn on the right burner, it really helps. You turn on the rear burner when you're using the front one, it doesn't seem to heat up as quick. Now what I'm going to do, let me get a little spoon here. I want to get this broccoli rabe sauce out of our jar. Alright, so we got a broccoli rabe sauce in our pan. We're going to let this simmer for 3 minutes, and in 3 minutes our pasta is going to be ready. So my broccoli rabe sauce has been simmering away. Our pasta's done. We're going to finish this over in our broccoli rabe sauce. We bring over a little bit of pasta water. That's just happy flavor goodness. Get this handle here so I can make sure. I want to get all my pasta. Now this kit makes it really easy. I mean, you crack the kit open, put your pasta and water on the stove. Crack open your jar of broccoli rabe sauce. That cooks for a few minutes. Simmers away on the stove after adding a few tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're just going to stir this up. Once I get this stirred up, we will reposition back over at our tasting table. I've been joined by my lovely wife, who's graciously agreed to join me for the tasting. Now this pasta kit, honey, was sent to me by Italia Regina. You always got to finish with a little bit of Parmigiano. Okay. So this is a broccoli rabe and Orecchiette Pasta kit from Italia Regina.
Okay. So
let's try it. We always sit like this with our arms together because she's a lefty and I'm a righty, and it just works out. So let's see how we like this. That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. That's really good.
It definitely, the broccoli flavors coming out of the sauce. The pasta that they've used has a really good chew. Not the pasta they used, the pasta they sent me that I used.
The pasta tastes almost like it's like my mom makes.
Really?
The homemade, like the ravioli.
You know, it does.
Yeah.
It actually does. It has a really good chew to it. I mean, I love the texture of that pasta they've included. Yeah. You know, this couldn't have been more simple. If you know, you're one of those folks where you come home, you're exhausted, you've got kids, they like pasta. and you want to get dinner out of the way quick, this is definitely the way to go. I mean, you guys saw how quickly I was able to make this pasta and get it all together. Nothing to it. I want to thank you to Italia Regina for sending me this kit. Really like it.
It's very good.
Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, but most importantly, hit that subscribe button in YouTube. Thank you to Italia Regina, and ciao.